Welcome to Module 4. In this, we are going to learn how to make a professional looking quotation template. And we are going to begin with how to calculate selling price from the cost in Excel. In last module, we saw how to make a sales report in this particular format. So the quotation template that we are going to make is going to look like this. Now, it is just not a matter of change in format and addition of an image or shape. What we are going to do is have a whole lot more in the Excel sheet behind it. It's going to have cost sheet associated with it. When you print, this particular portion is not going to be seen. At the same time, we can have formula associated with it so that we can calculate the selling price from cost and the markup we decide. Also, we can work out the net profit that we are going to make for that particular transaction considering all the costs.